Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the router interface so you can change the password securely. Connect your laptop to the router with Ethernet or the current Wi-Fi and open a browser. Type the router IP address shown on the device or label. Log in with the admin username and password. If you use default credentials, change them later. Once logged in, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where SSID and passphrase live, and where you'll make the change now. Once inside the router UI, go to the wireless or WLAN section. Most interfaces separate too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. You need to pick the network you want to secure and replace the existing passphrase with a strong, memorable password. Use at least 12 characters combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, confirm the security mode is WPA2 or WPA3 for current devices. After you enter the new passphrase, click Save or Apply. The router may restart, and connected devices will be dropped as the key changes. After the router applies the changes, you must reconnect every device using the new Wi-Fi password. Go to Wi-Fi settings on phones, laptops, and smart devices and enter the updated passphrase. Make sure to update any saved network profiles and printers. If a device won't connect, toggle its Wi-Fi, forget the network, then rejoin. If the router web UI becomes inaccessible, reboot the router and try again. As a final troubleshooting step, perform a factory reset, but be prepared to reconfigure your settings from scratch if you do.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.